Here today with a quick Tori Tech Talk video. Today I want to share one of my favorite apps that I use for photography editing, for scrapbooking, project life, etc. And it is WordSwag. I had a friend online, Julie, who told me about this app and it's kind of fun. It does cost something, so I just want to put that up from the front. It costs $4.99 US, I believe. And there is in-app purchases as well, so it is kind of pricey, but it is really fun if this is the kind of thing that you want to do. And there's lots of options with the app, so I want to share it with you anyways. And again, I think it's worth it, but it's up to you to determine whether you think it's worth it or not. One of the things that's really cool about this is you can kind of create your own project life cards and you can edit photos. So there's two different things that you can do that I want to kind of share with you. And by edit photos, I mean really just add word swag or words on top of your photos. So when you open the app, you have two options. You can click the little camera here, or you can click the little like Polaroids. If you click the camera, up pops your camera and you can take a photo. If you click the little Polaroids, it will show you a bunch of backgrounds. Really pretty backgrounds too, like there's a ton here. And this comes with the app when you pay $4.99. There's a bunch of different images. There's even solid colored ones there. And that's basically the background that you're going to be putting your words or your word swag on top. So if you want to go with one of their images, you would click here. If you want to select one of the photos from your camera roll, you're going to click camera roll in the top right hand corner. So let me show you first what you could do on one of their images. So this is what I mean by like creating your own project life cards basically. So I really love this image with the typewriter, so let me select that one. And what I can do is basically add my own text on top. So you can double tap to change the text and click the little X to delete their sample and type whatever you want. So you can type in a quote, you can type in a verse, you can type in some words, you can type your journaling, whatever you want to do, you can text it, you can type it there. So I like to say, have a lovely day. So I will type that there, and you can change the font right there. I personally don't change the font there because I find it a little difficult, but that's just one option. And then you can click Save and Close. It'll add your text right on top of that background. You can drag and drop it wherever you want by just selecting it with your finger and putting it where you want. And the nice thing is, up pops these lines to show you where the center is. And it also shows you the Twitter preview area. So you can kind of see that there, that middle section. If you were to post this picture to Twitter, only the section in that middle part there is going to show up on Twitter. But if you're not using it for Twitter, it doesn't really matter, but you can drop it there. Now what you can do is select the different style of word swag that you would like. And you can select all these different options will pop up. There's some that you have to like their Facebook page or whatever to get. And then there's some that you can purchase, but there's all these different ones that come with the $4.99 app as well. And let's say you find one that you like. So that one's, again, it's asking me to like their Facebook page, and you might want to do that, but it's up to you. Let's say you find one that you like. You can even change the style, but still use that format. So see the numbers down there? If you select the different numbers, it will pop up different options with that same style. So you're like, oh, that's cute. Or you can click the little dice and it'll give you a random one. Oh, that's pretty. Have a lovely day. So again, you can kind of like play around with it until you get what you like. If you don't like that style, you can keep going until you find something that you do like. If you want to make it bigger, you will use your fingers to zoom out. You want it smaller, again, use your fingers to pinch, basically. And so you have all those different, ooh, that one's really pretty. So I love that one. I'm going to leave it. Again, I might want to try out the different versions to see what it looks like until I find the one that I like. I like 1 and 5. Okay, let's stick with 5 because that's kind of cute. Now what I can do is change the color by selecting the color option, and I can pick any color that I really want. They even have some style options as well, which will give you kind of like a variant option as well. So there's all those different styles. You can even invert it so that the image is in the back and only your text shows. I think I'll leave it like that. Let's see, I think black looked pretty. So let's leave it there. Now I can add an image. I can darken or change the image background, adding some filters, whatever I like. Maybe I want it to be more red or soft pink. Ooh, that's really pretty. So once you have what you want and you're all done, you can change the blur. You can change the brightness of it. So I'm like, oh, I want it to be brighter. Perfect. Once I've done creating my word swag, I like the way that it looks. I click the done button and it automatically saves it to your camera roll. Close it. I can share it on Instagram or whatever. So what I meant by creating project life cards was like what I just created could be like a 4x4 or a 2x2, a square project life card that I could print off and use as a project life card. But I could also edit my photos and put word swag on my photos. So if I select my camera roll and go to my cameras, I can find any photo that I want and just scroll to one that I like. So let's say use this photo of my sister and my dad. That's cute. It will crop it automatically to a square. With this app, you can only use square, so you have to use that. Then I can pick the word swag that I want to add on top, like they love each other. I don't know, that's just the first thing that came to my mind. Exclamation mark. Oops, I deleted it. They love each other. Save and close. And now, if I select my styles, I can go through the different styles to find one that I think will look cute. Oops, my dad's calling me. Oh, don't tell my dad I hung up on him. Okay, so let's say I want to add that. Then I can click done, print it off, and there you go. So that is the Word Swag app. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of quick tutorial on how to use it. And if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, whatever, leave them below. If you have the app and you want to leave some feedback, whether you like it or not, leave that below. I hope you enjoyed this version of Tori Tech Talk for today, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye, guys.